Okay, so we're looking at writing each number in expanded form. I'm going to guide you through this. The first thing you must do is label your paper correctly on 4 lines in this top right corner. You're going to put your name, your first name, and your last name on your paper neatly. Make sure that you have capitalized the first letter in your first name and the first letter in your last name. Please make sure that your letters are written neatly and properly. It is your name. Take pride in it. Next, you'll write today's date. You will spell out the month and keep everything lined up. So the word August should be lined up with your name, with the beginning of your first name. There is a space between August and the date. There is a nice healthy comma, and then the rest of the year is written out, all 4 digits. Next, you'll write the subject and your period number. So if you are math block A, you'll write math 4A. If you're math block B, you'll write math 4B. And finally, you will write the motto on your paper. Perfect practice makes perfect. PPMP. The way we complete our work, the way we practice matters more than just how much we practice. Now, we're going to get started. We're going to rewrite each number using multiplication of a number and a place value unit. So, for example, 9 is equal to 9 times 1. 30 is equal to 3 times 10. And 400 is equal to 4 times 100. 1, 10, 100. These are all place value units. So we have a regular number being multiplied by a place value unit. You can use a multiplication dot instead of a multiplication cross. There's different symbols for multiplication, and a multiplication dot, you'll see it a lot in 4th grade. So 4,000 can be written as 4 times 1,000. 1,000 is a place value unit. 90,000 is equal to 9 times 10,000. 10,000 is a place value unit. 700,000 is equal to 7 times 100,000. 100,000 is a place value unit. Just like we have hundreds, tens, and units in the ones period, we have hundreds, tens, and units in the thousands period. So, following this example, I just need to break each of these numbers into a multiplication expression that uses a single digit number and a place value unit. 80, that's 8 tens, so 8 times 10. 300, that's 3 times 100. 20,000. I'm going to think about that a little bit. Okay, well, 20 would be 2 times 10. So 20,000 will be 2 times 10,000. 4,000. What would that be? What's going to be my regular 1-digit number? Yes, it's going to be 4. 4 what? I have 4 thousands, so this is going to be 4 times 1,000. And I'm going to go back and fix my place values. There we go. 8 times 100. 2 times 10. 700,000. Well, let's see, 700,000. 300 was 3 times 100. 800 was 8 times 100. So 700 would be 7 times 100. So 700,000 is going to be 7 times 100,000. Alright, go ahead and try the next, right? The next one on your own, the next column on your own. I will be circulating through the room to help you. You should have all of these examples copied down. I'll see you in a bit. Now, for the next portion of this worksheet, I'm told to rewrite these numbers in expanded form using multiplication and division and addition. Using multiplication and addition. So, I know that expand means to make wider, and when I'm writing in expanded form, the number is written much wider using addition between place values. So I'm going to start by planning my answer. I have 657. So that would be 600 plus 50 plus 7. So now I'm going to go one step further, and I'm going to write each of these using multiplication. So 600, that is going to be 6 times 100 plus 50. That's going to be 5 times 10 plus 7. That's going to be 7 times 1. 3,657. Well, I can build on to what I had used last time. 3,657 would be the same thing as 3,000 plus 600 plus 50 plus 7. I have that part already worked out. So this is where I'm focusing my energy. 3,000 is going to be 3 times 1,000 plus 6 times 100 plus 5 times 10 plus 7 times 1. So 23,657. Now I've got to build on another step. So I have the 3,657 part worked out. So that means I need to focus on breaking up 20,000. That will be 20,000 plus 3,000 plus 600 plus 50 plus 7. So how will you split up this 20,000? I need a one-digit number multiplied by a place value unit. So I'm going to use 2 times 10,000 plus 3 times 1,000 plus 6 times 100 plus 5 times 10 plus 7 times 1. I just took it step by step, building up each number. I had to think about what would it look like in regular expanded form using only addition. And then once I have 600, I can split that as 6 times 100 because I just practiced it up here. Alright. Now I want you to attempt the bottom portion of this worksheet on your own.